Hey everyone, it's your boy Odin from Host.Promo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the most popular GitHub repositories in the world. It's super easy to do, and I will also have a direct link in the description as the pinned comment that will take you to this page that will show you the most popular repositories. And if you do want to be able to do it and search it yourself, then all you need to do is go to the GitHub Advanced Search feature, which will look something like this: github.com/search/advanced. And right here, when it says with this many stars, you're just going to go ahead and put the greater sign and then 1000 and hit enter, okay? And then it's going to bring up this page, and you're going to see it's sorted by the most starred repositories. 307,000 stars, 248,000 stars, 154,000 stars, 141,000 stars, etc., etc. And that, my friends, is how you find the most popular GitHub repositories. I hope you found it helpful, and like I said, I will have a link down below that will take you directly to this page in the description as well as the pinned comment. If you have any questions about the Git search, Git, or GitHub, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure to check out my website, Host.Promo, where you can find the best web hosting companies and promotions. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day. Peace out.